Hello world, this is ML and I am back with another video vlog. On this particular episode, I'll be showing and sharing my accessories and attachments for my FIMI Palm. Before I proceed, this is not a sponsored video. I paid for the accessories with my own money. Now on to the unboxing. Okay, all right. I have 4 accessories for my FIMI Palm. Let's start with the lens filter. Okay. Now, man, I'm kind of surprised. These filters are expensive. I think this is 12 bucks or $13 for one piece. So I'm gonna install it right now and see how it look on my FIMI Palm. Sunny Life, I guess that's what it's called. And there you go. Okay. So also I have a protective glass here already and also here, but this one, I don't know, it looks, I'm just gonna remove it, to be honest with you. There you go. Got my little lens cleaner, my little lens brush. Make sure there's no dust or lint. So I guess these two are magnets. So let's see if it fits. And there you go. Now let's see if this will hold, because okay. All right. So being the filters have a little weight on it, it still holds. See that? One more again. Okay, it holds. So that's my filter. Okay. And also for my second accessories and attachment, I have the lavalier mic, uh, Type C USB. Okay. I'm just gonna test it if it fits. It fits. Okay. Now I'm not going to test the mic today. I'm just showing y'all my accessories and attachments. This, I think this is the skin. Yep, it's the skin. I chose red, just in case I drop it, I could see it, you know. And also this is a Sunny Life. Okay, the same company that this filter is from. This skin is from also. Now I read a lot of comments about this joysticks that it comes off, so I'm being very diligent and careful. Okay, so it's easy. Um, Seems like it fits, not too tight and not too loose. There, there you go. Yep, that's my skin here. It even has the hole here. So they also have other skins, but it covers the joystick and the record button, which I do not like. I just want something that will protect the base of the gimbal. And last but not least, the mini extension pole plus tripod. It also comes in blue. So this, I think this is like stickers. And what is this? Oh, it's just shiny. I thought it was oily, but it's just shiny. So it could extend. Oh, okay. Like this. So this is as far as it goes. All right. So let's attach it. Let's see. Oh, unfortunately, it doesn't fit with the skin, so I have to take it off. All right, so it fits, and I guess you put it this way. All right. All right. So yeah, let's see. So yeah, that's your selfie stick. Got my selfie stick. Boom. Unfortunately, it doesn't extend that long. Okay. So it's not that long, but I don't think with the gimbal you don't need a long uh, selfie stick. But you could always use this piece here and extend it or use it with another selfie stick. Okay, so let's see. And also it says that it's a tripod. You stand it up like this. And if you want to have more stability, you just lower it down. Just lower it really low, like so. And there. My final thoughts. In my opinion, all four of these items are useful, especially this tripod and selfie stick, even though it doesn't extend that long. I think it's still useful, even though I could still stand the FIMI gimbal like so. This will give it much more stability as far as standing it alone. The skin, I like it. It's still, it's still discreet because the gimbal is small, but I like it because I believe that it will protect the base of my camera or my gimbal rather. What I like about it is not that hard to put on. my gimbal and the microphone, the lavalier. I think it would upgrade the sound quality, but we'll see because I haven't tested it out yet. And also the filter pictures and the video quality. Basically, it will better the color quality of the video. I am happy with my purchase. I'll keep you guys updated if I have any gripe on each item. Once again, I am trying to reach 500 subscribers before the end of 2020. It will be great if you could help me get to my goal. And there you go. That was the unboxing of my accessories and attachments for my FIMI Palm. If you like what I'm doing, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Any questions, leave it on a comment box. Thank you for watching. And once again, this is ML from Kadirs.tv. Hello world, bye world, peace.